Drones are no longer just a hobby. They're used for everything from filmmaking to security. But with so many options out there, choosing the best one can be tricky. That's why I've put together a list of the best drones of 2025. Whether you're looking for stunning footage, long battery life, or top-notch maneuverability, you're in the right place. So let's dive in and find the perfect drone for you. Number 5, DJI Neo. Imagine a drone that fits in your pocket but delivers a performance way beyond its size. Meet DJI Neo, lightweight, portable, and super easy to use. It takes off from your palm, stays steady in the air, and makes you feel like a pro at aerial shots. But is it all perfect? Not quite. Neo is fun and practical, but it struggles in windy conditions, and its 4K video sometimes needs extra processing. Plus, if you're flying with just your phone, you're limited in range and speed. Want more control? You'll need to buy the remote, but at that point, you're nearing the price of the DJI Mini 3, which has better motors and a superior camera. Bottom line, Neo is great for quick and fun shots, but if you're after more serious performance, it has its limits. What do you think? Worth it or not? Number 4, DJI Avata. 2. Ready to take your journey to the skies? The DJI Avata 2 takes your flying experience to a whole new level. With amazing image quality, long battery life, and top-notch safety features, it'll make you feel like you're soaring through the air. When paired with the DJI Goggles 3 and DJI RC Motion 3, the real-time visuals and instant control sensation are even better. With sharp, clear images, you can see your surroundings from every angle while flying. The Avata 2 has a powerful sensor that captures incredible shots, even in low light. You can shoot in 4K and capture every moment in high quality. Plus, it offers 23 minutes of uninterrupted flight time. It also allows fast, clear video transmission over long distances. And with the DJI Fly app, you can instantly share your footage with others. The possibilities are endless. If you're a drone enthusiast, the DJI Avata 2 is the perfect choice for you. Ready to explore the skies? This drone is made for you. Number 3, Ruko F11Pro 2. If you're into aerial photography and looking for a great drone, the Ruko F11Pro 2 is definitely one of the best options out there. Why? Because the video quality on this thing is a game changer. If stability is your top priority, the F11 GIM2 might be a better fit. But when it comes to pure video quality and portability, the F11Pro 2 is my go-to. The camera quality is seriously impressive. This drone shoots at an incredible 6K resolution and comes with extra battery life and top-notch wind stability. Let's be real, when you compare these features to what the bigger brands, like DJI, are offering at a much higher price, Ruko's model becomes a super attractive option. The F11 Pro 2 is definitely worth the entry-level price, especially if you're just starting out. But if you're new to drones and thinking about upgrading later, this drone is perfect as a second option. With jaw-dropping footage, your videos will look like professional-level work in no time. Number 2, Mavic 3 Pro. Are you ready to take control of the skies with the Mavic 3 Pro? As the world's first triple-camera drone, the Mavic 3 Pro takes your footage to new heights. With 3 different cameras, it gives you endless possibilities for capturing stunning shots. The 20-megapixel main camera is perfect for capturing every detail in sharp clarity. Plus, the 70mm and 166mm telephoto cameras let you zoom in on distant objects and discover details that would normally be out of reach. While it delivers incredible image quality, it's a bit on the heavier side at 900 grams. So compared to lighter models, it's a bit more restricted in some ways. But trust me, the quality you get from the Mavic 3 Pro more than makes up for it. If you're looking to create professional-level shots and capture amazing footage from every angle, the Mavic 3 Pro is definitely worth checking out. Don't miss out on this high-quality drone. Number 1, DJI Mini 4 Pro. Get ready for a game changer in the drone world. The DJI Mini 3 Pro made waves with its compact design and pro-level features, but DJI wasn't done yet. Now they've pushed the limits even further with the Mini 4 Pro. What makes Mini 4 Pro special? Weighing in at under 250 grams, this little beast packs advanced flight safety, smart camera features, and a 1.3-inch sensor for stunning image quality. With D-Log-M support, you can fine-tune colors like a pro and capture crisp details, even in low light. Flight experience and safety. The Mini 4 Pro is the closest mini-series drone to the Mavic 3 and Air 3, featuring obstacle sensors that take safety to the next level. Its rock-solid stability makes it a perfect choice for both beginners and experienced pilots. Is it worth the upgrade? If you already own a Mini 3 Pro, don't expect a huge leap. But if you're upgrading from an older model or buying your first drone, the Mini 4 Pro is hands down one of the best choices out there. Final thoughts? With its lightweight design, powerful features, and top-notch camera performance, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is easily the best sub-250-gram drone on the market. What do you think? Is the Mini 4 Pro worth the price? Let's discuss in the comments.